Style, and today I just want to show you how to do simple drop 2 with your triad chord. Simple drop 2 with your triad chord. Drop 2 is one of the concept of jazz harmony. Okay, it's a kind of a unique voicing where you have to drop the second note of each of your chord either on a root position, first inversion, second inversion, or whatsoever the status of the chord. You're trying to drop the second of that chord. So in this simple stuff I just played at the beginning, it just moves to a melody, which is this. This is just the melody. So yeah, G E C E D C A C A G E G E D C G A C C. Okay, so and I now how to use the drop 2 concept. Okay, and the ending I end with arpeggios. Breakdown of the stuff. You have this. Okay. You're going to see everything on the screen, and you can easily learn it following what is on the screen. You can use that when maybe somebody is preaching. You can as well do it probably the first time you climb on the keyboard, and you just do that. People will know that somebody has already climbed. It's just a simple stuff. Okay, so it's just a simple stuff. Just a drop 2, a triad drop 2. This is it. So I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more other videos and press the notification button because I still have a lot of stuff in stock for you. Do enjoy the rest of your day and ensure you practice this until it becomes part of you. See you in next video.